Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Terra Luna Classic. In order to do this, you will have to open your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type station.terra.money and then you will be landed on the official website of Station where you will be able to stake your Luna Classic coins. But before that, you need to make sure that you have the Station Wallet extension. This is the Station Wallet extension. So if you haven't already created your account on it, then you will have to just download and install it. And after that, you just have to create your Station Wallet. Then you need to change the settings and you will have to make it to Classic. So you will have to click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner and then you will have to click on the network option. Here you will be able to see the option of Terra Classic. So you will have to select the Terra Classic option and this way you will be able to select it as Classic. Now you will have to come to station.terra.money and then you will have to connect your Station wallet with it. For that you will have to click on the connect button in the top right hand corner of the screen and after that you will have to click on the option of Station extension. Then you will have to click on connect and then it will show you that it is Classic and now you can use the options like swap or stake over here. Now as you want to stake our Luna coin, you will have to click on the stake option. After that you will have to enter the amount of Luna coins that you want to stake. Once done, you will have to click on the submit button and this way you will be able to easily stake your Terra Luna Classic coin. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.